Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Just the basics. To wake up the screen on our watch, you can press the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face the home screen. And on the home screen you can do a couple of things. You can swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the control menu, and here you have different shortcuts for different functions like do not disturb mode, airplane mode, battery saving and stuff like that. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, anything that could be useful, and also you can edit this menu to add or remove the icons from it. If you swipe down from the top of the screen, it will open the notification panel, and here you can check your notifications. If you swipe left or right on the screen, it will open the widget panel or glances. I'm not sure how it's called on Wear OS. I believe it's glances, but it might be widgets. But anyway, you have different, I would call them widgets, where you can check your heart rate, sleep and stuff like that. If you press the upper button on the home screen, it will open the workouts menu. Same for the lower button. If you open the middle button, it will open the menu, the app menu. And here you have different icons for different apps. To navigate the system, you can use the middle button and the touchscreen, of course. And if you enter the menu, for example, let's open the settings and display. And let's say you want to go back, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to the previous menu. If you press the crown button, you will go back to home screen immediately. Doesn't matter where you are on your watch, no matter what kind of window or something like that. If you press the crown button, it will immediately bring you to the home screen. I'm not sure what happens if you press the lower button when you're in the menu. Opens the workouts menu. Okay, so it's just universal shortcut for the workout menu. What else can we do? If you want to change the watch face on your watch, you can do it by pressing and holding on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. If you want to turn off your watch, you need to press and hold the lower button. And then the power menu will appear after a couple of seconds, and you can tap on power off to turn off the watch. And if you want to turn it on, press and hold the lower button if the watch is turned off, and wait until the Mi logo appears on the screen. And once it does, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes a few seconds. Okay, and one last thing to mention is, I guess, how to enter the settings on your watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button to open the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it, and it will open the settings. You can also open the control panel by swiping up from the bottom of the screen, and then tap on the settings icon, which will also open the settings. And I believe that's all. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.